Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Air and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar. Here on the second position from the top, we've got the timer option. Right now we've got this icon crossed out, which simply means that the timer is off, but after tapping on it, we can pick from 3 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, just tap on it. As you can see, this icon changed. What is more, on the shutter button, we can see which countdown we've just chosen. So you will never be surprised. So let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, and after that time it will simply take a photo, so just wait. Alright, in order to turn off the timer, just tap on it and pick this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your Oppo Air. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.